Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a credit card payment to your Weebly website in 2023. So if you're looking to sell products or services on your Weebly website and accept payment directly from your customers, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type Weebly .com and hit the enter button. That will surely take you to the home screen or main screen of the Weebly website. And of course, if you have an account, you can simply go log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply go and create your account by hitting the sign up option or create a website. And of course, they even have a free plan that you can use, but it will not have a lot of features. So you can go on and try with this if you like. You can go and upgrade your plan if you want something more professional. So as you can see, for me, I'm already logged into my account. I'm on my dashboard or overview. And of course, for you, you'll have to go and log into your account. As I said, if you have an account and if you don't have one, you can simply go and click on sign up to create an account. And of course, to enable the credit card payment on your Weebly website, you will need to sign up for a payments gateway service. Of course, there are several popular options such as PayPal, Stripe, and Square. You can visit their respective websites and sign up for an account. As an example, if you don't have one, and once you're registered, you will have access to the necessary tools to accept the credit card payments. Of course, after signing up for a payments gateway, you'll have to go into your website. As an example, let me just go and click on edit sites as an example. And let's just wait. Of course, for you, you will have to go in the Weebly editor, which I am in right away, and navigate to the store tab as an example. So once you're here, simply you will have to go into this apps option, and here you will have to go and type the payments gateway that you choose. An example, maybe PayPal. Simply type it here, hit the enter button, and as you can see, you will find it here: PayPal, Stripe, subscription payments, an example, or accept one-time recruiting donation or marketing tools in your PayPal business. Set up payments via PayPal on your site. As you can see, you'll have a lot of options. So make sure to go and read whatever suits you as an example and add it into your website. Some of them will not be free. Some of them, as you can see, may require some money, but others may not. Of course, in apps, you'll not find just PayPal. Maybe you'll find Stripe as an example. And other than that, you may find other options. So make sure to go and check them all, depending on whatever payment gateway suits you. As an example, as I said, there's even Square. And of course, you'll not be able to add it to your site unless you have an account. So make sure to go and have an account first of all. So if you don't have it, you'll not be able even to use here. Once it's added, as you can see, you can simply go to the settings, my apps, and you will find all your apps here. You'll be able to connect them to your website and you will normally be good to go. Other than that, as an example, you'll be able to go and add some pages example. So simply you can click on pages right here. And as you can see, I have here a large amount of pages. So simply, if you don't have the necessary pages, an example for me, I have home, shop, about, updates, contact, blog, new page. Of course, I can go and rename the page example to whatever I want. And I can copy as an example. I can delete it. I can go and add some pages as a drop down menu for this. As you can see, if I go here and click on this, I'll find home and I'll find in the drop down menu shop about updates. Why? Because I don't have those on the same line. As you can see, if you click, if I put them here as an example, so let's just go and wait, close this. And as you can see, those all is the drop down menu of home, and those will be drop down menu of update. Let me just show you an example. Go to updates, and as you can see, that's because I'm putting them on the same line. So if I put them right here as an example, they should not be now on the drop down menu. I simply have to go and drag them out of the drop down menu, and here you are. As an example, now I'll find them all here As you can see, all the pages, I'll find them here. If you want to put one as a drop-down menu of the other one, simply you'll have to go and tilt it a bit into the right, and this will put it as just drop-down menu for home. If you tilt it more to the right, that will put it as a drop-down menu for the thing before it. As you can see, this blog will be a drop-down menu for updates and etc. If you want to put it back, simply go and put it back to the left, and as you can see, you will be good to go. And of course, you will be able even to add more pages. As example, Sunder page, blog page, category page, product page, external page, and non-clickable menus. An example. Other than that, you can even click on theme, and as you can see, you'll be or you find here the light theme and the dark theme. And of course, let's just get back into dark. This will hurt my eyes. And of course, here, as you can see, change theme. If you click on it, you'll be able to change whatever theme you choose once you are creating your accounts. As an example, you'll be even to import any theme that you have. An example, if you want to, if it's not existing in Weebly, you'll be able even to change fonts. As an example, the site title, navigation menu, phone number, headline, sub headline. Of course, this is for the header area. The general area, you can change the font of it, the media area, and the store area also. Of course, you'll even be able to click on this theme option. As you can see, there is the search box. If you want to have it, make sure to turn it on, and if you don't, make sure to turn it off. And of course, you'll have even this app options to add as many apps that you want. So whatever you want to add in your website, you'll be able to add it here as an example. And of course, there is this settings option. Here, the settings option, as you can see, if you click on settings, just general, and here you'll be able to change the site address if you want to, the site title, the site category. SSL is enabled or disabled. You'll be able to disable it or enable it. And you'll be able to put a site password. And as you can see here, site format, an example, there is this SEO option, which will increase the keywords, or you can type the keywords to attract customers to your website. An example, there is this editors option. You can add any editors that will be able to edit anything in your website. An example, you can put other people that can edit in your website. There is the member option. Always, of course, you can add any members to your website again. And of course, there's here my apps. You'll find all the apps that you have, and my blogs here. You'll find, as you can see, those options. Of course, if you find any issues again, you can simply go always to this help option and click on support. And of course, this will take you right away to the support, and you'll be able to see if other people have the same problem and you still have or if you didn't find your problem here, you'll be able to scroll down and find for okay, here is community at the top. Of course, you can click on community and try to find a solution for your problem, or you can even go and contact the support if you didn't find a solution here, or even with the community. So let's just get back here, and normally that's gonna be it. So let's just wait for the homepage until it comes, and here we are. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully, of course, added your credit card payments functionality to your Weebly website in 2023. And of course, now customers can easily make purchases directly from your website and expanding your business opportunities. If you have any further questions, of course, as you can simply go to the support and talk to them, or you can simply go and leave it a comment down below. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. So thank you for watching, and best luck with your online store, and I'll see you in the next video.